Okay, so this is our presentation for the category analysis project. Yearly WVU spends $880,821.38 on catering and delivery services for the university. We know that there are many different events and instances where there is a need for catering or food service at the different events. We decided that any catering or delivery service that is under $500 could be eliminated. The purpose of suppliers when it comes to catering and delivery, there's many different factors that we buyers consider. So that's the price of the food, the type of the food, quality of the food, and the efficiency of the service. Depending on what the reason is for the service, all of these factors determine what service we need.
So the catering and delivery services, the university has many different occasions where they require catering services, and some of these can include, athletic events, professional on-campus events, faculty events and meetings, and then sometimes even in-class incentives. And then total spending. So as we stated before, WVU spends $880,821.48 on catering and delivery services for the university. A total of 196 different transactions were made at various establishments, and these vary in cost from being as high as $342,159.79 to being as low as just $4.50.
The food and delivery services we typically spend our money on would be Tzatziki's. Tzatziki's was accounted for about a third of what we spent. Panera, Permanente Bros, Buffalo Wild Wings, and such. So for our data analysis within the Excel file, we narrowed it down to food and beverage, and food service, catering delivery, and then to catering companies and restaurants. This gave us the main suppliers and amount spent at each establishment for like every different transaction. We broke down the numbers to provide a detailed breakdown of where and how the money's being spent. So we created a pie chart. As you can see, there are a lot of different transactions. Like I said, Tzatziki's accounted for like a third of it. And then the little sliver up at the top where there are no pieces of the pie, I guess, is what we eliminated. And yeah.
So our plan is, after discussing, all of us decided to cut food costs of under $500 completely. The reason behind this is because if the school is spending under $500 for an event on food, it genuinely isn't worth the purchase because the event is too small, and those are small costs that we feel aren't necessary. The large food purchases are more worthwhile because the events are bigger and a need for food is more reasonable than some small faculty meeting or a private lunch. So pre-cutting the cost of total transactions were 196 and total expenses were $880,821.41. Post-cutting the cost, total transactions were 43 and total expenses were $857,175.53. So our total savings were $23,645.95.